nụ cơ sang trao thì vì ở lệยังcó lu sa ra dù kể lu bỏ mua trên lơ ta tao cho lu cho tu chữ yo shi lu mà tu thao tư chỉ mua là mà lệ ra cao lu mua lu tu trao lo
Hi everybody, thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. It was just a lyric video, but I wanted to add a little bit of something for you guys. Txujsa một thằng jansi ha. Pachenke lutsukai Valentine season already. Be on at see what's in good. In a marriage, it's not easy. It takes two committed and devoted individuals to make the marriage work. But what I can say is that when you put God in the middle of your relationship, that anything is possible. So Txhusa bông sha to today what is good, don't let go. Have a blessed day anh ta vẫn chỉ phỏng có một vừa mét lên sốt